You know, we don't talk about the delicious McDouble, part of our value picks menu, only $1.39 every day. He was being impersonated online by someone making all kinds of sick and derogatory comments. That's very damaging. But no one would do anything. Did you eventually get through to Facebook? No, I didn't. Until CTV News got involved. ATV called me and said it went down on Wednesday night. For news that's working for you. When the phone rang last week, I saw the letter CTV on there. A great weight had lifted off my shoulders. Turn to CTV News at 6, 7 days a week. They're out there, living among us. One of them attacked my cat, and every once in a while.
If you're close to it, it can make your eyes water.
They strike.
Chicken.
Beginning tomorrow, CTV News investigates the wilder side of our city. From skunks and raccoons to the wily coyotes, they've learned to live with us.
I think you're kind of cute.
Can we live with them?
But in someone else's yard.
The Concrete Jungle begins tomorrow at 6 on CTV News.
So I'm gonna stand up, stand up, stand up, there we say.
13-year-old Severia is standing up against bullying using music to spread the message. The story wraps up our week-long series.
I want to talk about how women feel and how we're going to let anyone tease me or be mean to me.
Born in London, Ontario, Severia is visiting schools across the country as part of Family Channel's bullying awareness campaign.
I wanted to get involved because I've been bullied before, and I've seen my friends being bullied before, and it's just not a good feeling.
Also taking part, singers Lindsay Hamilton and Nikki Yanofsky.
Hold on now, be strong, no matter what you're going to do, know you're going to make it through the next day. Everywhere we went, the response from the kids was, it was profound. It was really incredible to see their energy, how excited they are, and how determined they are to stand up to bullying.
And the students are getting the message.
I think that it's important to stand up against bullying because bullying can be very dangerous to the victim and the suspect. It could be something emotional inside and like physically injured, and like it could be scarred for life. So it's very important to stand up. Kids really do want to put an end to bullying. Working together, I think we can.
Girl crush alert who Mullen Ackerman can't get enough of. Here's a hint: Mullen can't believe this star's still single. Find out next.
It's your time to save, Canada. The nationwide truckload sale is on at End of the Roll. Save up to 70% on brand name laminates, carpet, vinyl, hardwood, area rugs, and more. The nationwide truckload sale on now at End of the Roll.
This is the insurance company's final offer? It's only 2 weeks since that guy hit me. Now they want me to sign this form? But man, I'm still hurt. Can't work. Car's not fixed. I gotta call a lawyer.
At the law firm of Klein Lyons, we tell accident victims not to sign anything from ICBC until we review their case for free. Call Klein Lyons today for your free consultation. 604-734-7272.
It just makes sense.
Shuffle it out with a night at the casino.
Well, good. Ooh. Your head gasket's gone, your radiator, your battery cable. We're gonna have to replace the whole thing.
No, you don't. We can't be here for this, but we can be here for this.
Spending a fortune on your car? CTV's Olson on your side puts the brakes on expensive and unnecessary repairs.
CTV News, working for you.
All right, so who is Mullen Ackerman raving about? Well, it's her Wanderlust co-star Jen Aniston. Mullen tells People magazine, quote, "Guys, get out there, nab her. She is every guy's dream." Bye for now.
It's me again. I'm wondering if everything's okay. I don't know, I guess I'll see you soon. Or not, if your plans have changed. Still not here. I don't know, maybe something more important came up. You know what? Liam knows how special tonight is to you. He'll be here.
I'm sorry, how could this possibly be a shortcut?
I apologize. My instincts are usually right about these things.
You picked me up at a beach house. The destination is a beach bar. Your instincts didn't tell you to keep the ocean in sight? What is your name? Do you have like a badge ID number or something?
I'm sorry. My English is, not so good.
Getting late.
Sir, I must not lie. I appear to be lost.
Oh, get found. I gotta be at that party.
Tonight, the final dance. Tomorrow, the champion will be crowned. It's the two-night Dancing with the Stars finale event.
This is it.
No one could have predicted this final three. Who will win?
Bring it on.
And a burlesque performance by Christina Aguilera. The most electric event of the season.
Stop! Somebody's gonna get hurt!
Dancing with the Stars two-night event starts tonight at 8, 7 Central on CTV.
New mini with little bites.
You will not believe your eyes.
The great taste you'll recognize.
But this size is not surprise.
No high fiber and whole wheat.
But we're easier to eat.
So small now can easily.
Enjoy delicious mini.
New Mini Wheat Little Bite cereal. All the taste, half the size. Perfect for little mouths.
New mini with little bites.
All the taste and half the size.
Grandma, can we get these from Nick? Sure.
Yes, thanks.
The computer now gives us all the info we need and show me how to set it up. It's super easy. It's perfect. This one's yours, Uncle Nick.
So when did I get my crackers?
Uncle Nick, look.
Better save that for when I get home. I really miss you guys.
Nobody does it better. Except maybe you.
Technology you've never seen before. Anywhere. Ever. Which raises a good point. If you're going to buy a new luxury car, shouldn't there be something new about it? Introducing the 2011 Lincoln MKX. It's not just luxury, it's smarter than that.
For exceptional kitchen knives, choose the finely crafted, perfectly balanced Kuradori knife set, exclusively at Home Hardware and Home Hardware Building Center. The blades are superior quality German steel, with tapered edges for optimum sharpness and precise cuts. Dimples help prevent binding. NSF approved and unconditionally guaranteed. Choose the exclusive Kuradori knife set. Only at Home Hardware and Home Hardware Building Center.
103.5 QMFM is today's soft ride. With Mike and Tara in the morning and more music workdays. Today's soft rock, 103.5 QMFM.
Oh, okay. No, cut me off. I don't want you to have to order another limo.
I've got drivers on call. It irritates me not to use them.
Oh, you do? Company park. Well then, Liam's pretty lucky. Instant dad with full-time designated driver.
It should help impress a lady or two, right?
Well, let's hope that my niece is really impressed because she's the only one he's interested in. Oh, hi. Can I get one of those? Are you 21, honey? You don't have a bracelet.
Tonight's the night, Oliver. Won't get another chance like this.
I'm sure what you're doing, Amber. Guess it's working. Hey!
Hey, you're still here. I figured you would left by now.
I was gonna, but the party's great. I wouldn't want to miss it.
Do you have maps?
Do I have a... No, I don't have a map. Shouldn't you?
Map and drive, it's too dangerous.
I'll use my phone. I'll use my phone, figure out where we are.
Wonderful, you're a godsend.
I must have forgot my phone. Can I use your phone?
I don't have.
No phone?
Can't afford such luxury.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
K? Isn't that Spanish?
Ah! I think Latin. Who would I call here anyway? My whole family, they're in Moscow. Los Angeles is such confusing city, so many hills and mountains, and no wonder I always get lost. Maybe I take you somewhere more fun. You want to see Hollywood sign?
No, I don't want to see the Hollywood... Look, lady, my girlfriend is waiting for me. This is a really special night for her, and I promised I'd be there, so please, just figure out where we are. Please.
This could be our chance to finally bust them, Jim. With power. My strength just gave out.
Dad, please, hold I'm trying.
Comes responsibility.
What virus is making Jim lose his powers?
What if they don't come back?
But this time,
We're gonna do this as a family.
have they taken it too far?
Well, if you don't do something, he's gonna die.
What's happening to me?
An all-new, No Ordinary Family. Tomorrow at 8, 7 Central on CTV. Watch more. Full episodes online at ctv.ca.
They come from the earth, dirty, ragged, but inside is a natural sweetness that comes from being wrapped in the earth's embrace and gently caressed by the hands of loving fathers.
This ain't no romance novel. It's just a sweet potato.
Nature's sweet potato. McCain's super fries. McCain. It's all good.
Who wants the same nail color day after day? Not me. New Revlon Top Speed Nail Enamel. Cool color with a built-in top coat that sets in just 60 seconds. With Revlon, you can change your mind again and again and again. New Revlon Top Speed Nail Enamel.
Hi, sweetheart. Hey, Mom, look at you. Your purple outfit and your phone.
Look, let's rewind with the Hoover T-Series Rewind. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, great on all floor surfaces with no loss of suction. Really get the dirt off the floor with more channels of suction. That's patented wind tunnel technology. So when you clean, do it right the first time with the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Rewind. Hoover, nobody does it like you.
Planning a virtual Christmas? Try Staples. HP, Sony, Toshiba, and Acer, starting from just $3.99. Staples. It was easy.
What, you don't like Hope?
I like her just fine.
He thinks me and should play the field.
They're too young to be thinking they're in love.
Oh, just because it took you so long to be the Logan girl.
Yeah.
Liam score major points at the limo? He isn't here. What?
Yeah, I don't know. I thought he might still be with you guys. He's not answering his phone.
No, he left a little while ago.
Did he say anything about maybe stopping at the office? First, I know Bill's been keeping him really busy.
No,